Good morning, traders and friends. This is Imran Beg, iShop Traders. Welcome back to my channel. After a long time, you see my video. First of all, Happy New Year and prosperous 2024. And I hope you'll get better in 2024. And our aim also to teach you and train you for 2024 to how to make money. It's a time to make passive income or second income. So today I'm gonna discuss about indexes. Majority people, I went to the couple like in holiday season. We went to so many places and parties and people chatting each other, and I find out like majority of people don't know about the index. What is index? And most of the peoples are doing. Like a stock market, and they are losing money, and majority 80 to 90% which I met, they are losing in stock market. Right. So today we're going to discuss what is indices and what is index. So today I select the Nasdaq, which is I trade most of the time. I mean, everyday webinars I do that on the Nasdaq and S&P 500 as well. But there is a different indices, which is index of like companies shares. I will explain you first today Nasdaq. So let's go and see what is the Nasdaq stand for and what is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is the National Association of Security Dealer Automatic Quotation. It is an American stock exchange, right? And they founded in 1971. They create this index in 1971, and people are traditionally stock market is similar to stock market, but there is a one thing is different. You're not trading individual market, means individual company. That is the index they created of 100 companies. In Nasdaq, there is a 33, almost 3,300 companies are registered in Nasdaq. But 3,300 companies are registered in the index, and give me 1 second, guys. I have some alert come out, and 1 minute only. Let me see what is the alert for. Okay, usually we put the trades on that alerts. So sometime when this trade is ready, we get the alerts. So I got the alert now, and because market gonna open today, and we get the news or something, we get alerts. So anyway, I was discussing about the Nasdaq. So I was telling you that Nasdaq, almost 3,300 companies are registered in Nasdaq, and so what they did, they select 100 companies which is performing a best, and they're rotating those things. But major companies are, just to let you know, that is most moving this index. It's Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Tesla, Intel, Nvidia, Adobe, and the PayPal, and there is several more. Almost all 100 tech companies are involved in the Nasdaq. So they created one index. So you can create like all 100 companies in this index. So means you're not trading that individual Apple or Amazon or Facebook accounts or Microsoft what is called stocks, right? So you are trading all 100 companies stock in one place, which called Nasdaq. Okay, so that is Nasdaq. A little bit quick I'm doing because just explain you guys and how to trade a Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a stock market, is a buying and selling technically, and multiple companies stocks in this Nasdaq, right? Here is the general step how you trade. So educate yourself first of all. Very important. People don't know how to educate yourself. You have to find out exactly what is Nasdaq, what is going on. You have to keep eye on the market. Second thing, choose the broker. Everybody knows you have to create a broker account to trade this Nasdaq, and then you can fund your accounts and research and analyze. We do the half of the work. We do the research and we analyze the market. Excuse me. If you joining that iShop traders, and then you don't have to worry about the research and analyze and those things, because we do your part and ourselves, and then we place the order. So what we do every day, we do Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and we trade live on the most probably I'll go to the Facebook live also and YouTube live, but right now I'm doing the webinars and people who is my members, they coming and joining me and they taking the advantage. And let me show you the live market how that trades work. So you have to monitor your investment. Risk management is very important. Stay informed means you have to keep eye on the market and execute the trade, which is we execute the trade after analyzing the market. And I go very detailed in the market, but not right now in my webinars. But let me show you how we trade last Friday. My trade was I give them a target. I always give them a target, and my target was 16,435. It's not necessary market come directly to you. Sometimes it does, but most of the time, and you can say 50-50. I when I analyze, I tell people that is the 50-50 trade or that is a 80 to 90% winning trade. Market go against us. That's normal. That is a part of the game, but eventually market come and hit our target. So let me show you that Friday trade, and Friday 10 o'clock when we start trading, that is a 950 candle, right? And let me show you how we trade this Friday. It was at 10 o'clock I start my webinar. So let's go and see what my trade did. So market came down and eventually I told them when this box is gonna break out, this area will break out, market will come 16,430, 435 area, and we gonna trade after 16,516. So I give them a trade, and we was waiting when market hit our 15,016, and market hit here 15,016, even though market came down further, and right away market turn around us. Market give us like 8 to 10 points plus, and market went against us. So let me show you how the market went. And market, I was waiting, market went us at least 60-70 points against us. We was holding the trade because we know that what we are doing. iSharp knows that what they are doing, and that was the entry point. We give them an entry. This is my entry point, 15,016. We enter in the market, okay, and that is always we do in a gray, so we know that that's our entry. Market went against almost 60 points against us, 60-65 point against us. We was holding the trade, and let's see what this trade did. If we go to the loss or we go to the profit, let's see. Market went against us, and eventually market start dropping down, came back to even break, and market came hit, then is come out. Always market break this area, retest this area, and eventually market is coming to our direction. And if you see, most probably very soon market gonna hit our target. I was waiting for this target. It was in a live webinar, and finally market hit our target. Market hit our target and right away went back again. So that was my live trade, and if you see that we entered the 16,516, right, and my target was 16,435. Market hit my target. What time is hit my target? Around 1:15. Okay, we was holding the trade, and eventually market hit my target. Some of the traders, I told them just exit it out. If you have a small account, you can take like 15-20 points, and that is more than enough also. 15-20 points, each point is Nasdaq is $20, so if it is 20 points means $400, right? We hit our 81 points, and market hit my 81 points. 81 points is equal to 20 is equal to $1,620. So this kind of money you can make is not is very fair, and we are showing like legitimate things how it work. And there's my all witness and all my live traders, they see, they witness these things, and that is we close our order, and then we don't care where is the market going. After that market hit our target. 80 points is more than enough. Normally our standard is 50 to approx 50 to 70 points almost every day we provide to the our clients. All right guys, so that was the trade on Friday, and I explained what is Nasdaq. And if you have any question, you can contact us. And individual market, uh, like the stock market, stop doing that and go to the indices. That is the index, which is Nasdaq, and I'm gonna make another video for the S&P 500, and then I'll make Russell, and then Dow Jones, and then gold and other things. Always you see my videos in there. So that was the trade of the Friday, and let me close the session, guys, and I'll see you Monday sharp 10 o'clock. This is Imran Beg, I Sharp Traders. Let me sign off. Take care, guys. Bye now.